Okay, getting ready to put the kids back in the office. There's Sugar Babies. MJ Babies. They're getting ready to go to bed.
It's like the feast is on.
Yeah, I hate this, that this camera doesn't focus very well. But, okay, can you turn that little light on, babe? See if I can get a little bit more light. See if it helps at all. Oh, that does help. Okay. There's MJ and all of the kids.
The only one you can really see is the party.
I know, because they're so dark. And then...
Your tail's sticking straight out.
Oh boy. Poor Sugar Mama. Bet you she'll be glad when this is over.
Lay down, Sugar. Just stay right there. You're a good girl.
That's a good mama. That's a good Sugar Mama. Okay, Woodle World. Getting ready to go back into the office. Say goodnight, kids. Okay, that's it. Anybody else around here? Oh, just Melee behind me.
And the big feet.
Okay.